so good. You get that crunchy, like... Hey guys, welcome back to Vegas Vixen in the kitchen. Today we're gonna be making Oreo cheesecake bites. It's super easy, super fast, and great for any type of birthday or, you know, baby shower or you name it. I'm just gonna take these to work with me, so my coworkers are gonna love me. All right, let's get started with some cream cheese. So I left these out, so they're room temperature and they're easier to work with. Now I'm just gonna mix them until they're soft, or whip them until they're soft. Now that it's all whipped and soft, I'm gonna scrape the sides of the bowl. Scrape that in there, and I'm gonna add some sugar. And then we're gonna continue mixing it. Now the sugar and cream cheese is combined, I'm gonna add some vanilla. And that goes. And then before I start mixing that, I'm going to crack our eggs. And I'm just gonna whisk it. And we're gonna set that aside because we're gonna put it into our mixture. And then in goes our eggs. I'm going to scrape the sides again. And then we're gonna add some sour cream. And now that it looks about incorporated, we're going to add some chopped Oreos. And these are just roughly chopped, not too fine, and I'm just gonna fold them in. And now we're ready to place our Oreos into our cupcake holders. I lined these up with cupcake thingies. What are these called? I don't know. Cupcake thingies. You can get any color you want. I decided to do 3 different colors. Plain, simple white ones are good too. So we're just going to line the Oreos into each of these cupcake tins. Now we're ready to put the mixture into the little cupcake holes. And I'm using an ice cream scoop because it's easier for me. And try not to fill it too much. Alright, so now we're gonna stick it into the oven at 275 for 22 minutes. Now that 20 minutes has passed, I've taken the cheesecake bites out of the oven and I let them rest and cool for a little bit, and now we're ready to plate them. So with the clear ones, or the white ones, you can actually kind of see the Oreo crust and then the cheesecake on top of it. So I'm gonna place some of those on. And then we can do some of our little colorful ones in the back. They smell so amazing. I cannot wait to take a bite into one of these. And there you have it, guys. Oreo cheesecake bites. I'm gonna try one. Mmm, so good. You get that crunchy like crust from the Oreos still and the creaminess of the cream cheese. So delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, let me know what you think, subscribe, and share on your social media. See you next time.